What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox and check one Class D amplifier. As you know, the Class D amplifier is a low profile amplifier with huge power and all, but very compact in size. So that's why I'm a big fan of Class D amplifier. So today I'm going to unbox one. It's from Lee Audio. As you know, Lee Audio is a very reputed Chinese brand. Well, this is their newer model, the Kettle Pro. It's a 200 watt power amplifier. So today I'm going to unbox and check this thing. So let's start. So this is the box packing, and here you can see it's written Kettle Pro 200 watt high performance power amplifier. So let's open the box. Voila. So here you can see the very nicely packed with this black foam thing, and at the top there's another foam sheet. Well, so here you get this user manual, and that this is the power adapter. Input voltage is 100 to 240 volt, and input power is 1.5 ampere max, and output voltage is 24 volt and 3 ampere. So that's the power adapter. Comes with this amplifier, and this is the power cord. This is a 3-pin cord with a fuse inside of it. But the point is, this kind of plug is not going to work here in India, so I'm going to use mine. Now let's take the amplifier out of the box. Well, this is the amplifier. As you can see, pretty small in size. Can you believe that this is a 200 watt amplifier on my palm? So this is the amplifier. As you can see, it's in my hand, pretty small in size, and only one volume control knob is there. So this is kind of only power amplifier, no tone controller is there. So let's take a close look at this thing. This is the front side. Here you can see 2 buttons are there. That's a power button and that's a source button. So 2 sources are there at the back. I'm going to show you that. D1 and D2. So you can select the source using this button. These 2 are the push buttons, soft push. And here at the top you can see the Lee Audio logo is right there. And this is one standard size volume control knob. And here it's written Kettle Pro. Now let's take a look at the back. The power connector, it says DC 24 volt to 48 volt. So to get the full power, you're gonna give it a 48 volt power supply. And these 2 are the binding posts for the speaker output, the left one and the right one. Very nice one with gold plated terminals inside, you can see. So that's the nice thing. And here the 2 inputs are there. These are the RC input, that's D1 and D2. So you can select any one of this from the front source button. And the nice thing is that they have the subwoofer out too. Here you can see the RCA socket for subwoofer out. So you can use this thing as a 2.0 amplifier, or you can connect a subwoofer. So this will become a 2.1 amplifier, power amplifier, which is a nice thing because I like the support of subwoofer in any amplifier. So that's a nice thing. So here you can see the Kettle Pro is written there, the model number and all. So that's it, and the complete body is fully metal, and at the bottom the 4 stands are there and the screws inside. So if you're gonna open the casing, you gotta remove this 4 stands, and then you can remove this top part. Also screws at the back, 3 screws. So that's it. I'm going to check that out later. But now it's time to connect this thing and check the sound of it.
You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. It goes like I wanna bump a beat that goes hard. Popping bottles, knocking models. Popping bottles, knocking models. Popping bottles, knocking models. I wanna bump a beat that goes hard. Pop it.
So guys, you heard the sound, and there's nothing much to say about the sound because as this is a power amplifier, so no tone controller is there, so kind of flat sound. But if you use a good speaker, then you'll get better sound. But of course, you're going to use some tone controller. If you are connecting this to your PC or laptop, then you're going to use the inbuilt equalizer from your audio driver and all. And if you connect this to the other source, then you're going to use the preamp, the tone controller and all. But the point is, this thing is pretty loud and clear sound, and also they provided the minimum power supply, the 24 volt, as it requires 24 to 48 volts. So if you want full 200 watt RMS power, then you got to give it a 48 volt power supply, and it's mentioned on the user manual. So as I can see here in the user manual, you give it the 24 volt 5 amp power supply, then it will give you 55 watt RMS per channel at 4 ohms of load. You can use speakers with 2 ohms to 8 ohms of impedance, so 4 ohms is a nice choice. And 48 volt 10 amp power supply, you'll get 200 watt RMS at 4 ohms load. Everything is written here in the user manual. That's it. As you know, it's a very compact amplifier, so I like this one, and I'm going to use this with my PC. So I'm going to use some inbuilt equalizer in there, so I'll get the good sound. But later I'm going to try with the preamp connecting to this amplifier, and also will show you the subwoofer, how it works, the frequency response and all. So stay tuned for that. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share the video with all your friends. So that's it. That's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.
It's hard. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. I wanna the beat that goes hard. I wanna the beat that goes hard. Popping bottles, knocking models. Popping bottles, knocking models. Popping bottles, knocking models. I wanna bump a beat.